Chimichurri, one of the most famous and delicious sauces in the world. To make this sauce, I need to get my hands on fresh parsley, the main ingredient in chimichurri, and I know just where to get it. This is my indoor garden, located right in my living room, and within my garden I have my own little forest of parsley plants. To make the sauce, the first step is to harvest the foliage of my parsley plants. When harvesting, always cut the outer leaves first because they are the oldest and spoil quickest. Once the parsley is harvested, place it on a cutting board and separate the stems from the leaves. Now that the stems have been removed, chop the parsley, leave it coarse, and throw it in a bowl. The chimichurri recipe I'm using calls for 8 ingredients: parsley, garlic, oregano, red chili flakes, oil, red wine vinegar, salt, and pepper. With all of our ingredients prepped and in place, we can start combining to create the chimichurri sauce. To the parsley, I'm adding garlic, oregano, and red chili flakes. Next, I'm adding a 3-to-1 ratio of olive oil to red wine vinegar, and finishing it off with salt and pepper. Do not use the chimichurri mixture right away. Instead, place it in the fridge to marinate overnight. Allowing proper time for the ingredients to infuse creates a better flavor and takes away from the sharpness of the raw ingredients. This is the final result: vibrant chimichurri made from homegrown parsley. Having a garden and growing my own little parsley forest is incredibly rewarding because I get to make an unlimited and constant supply of chimichurri. If you've enjoyed watching how to make chimichurri from homegrown parsley and want to see more plant videos, then please subscribe.